Before you download Electrum, pause for a moment, because most people assume all crypto wallets are the same. The surprising truth is that Electrum is one of the oldest and most trusted Bitcoin wallets, but it is not for everyone. Electrum is a lightweight, open-source wallet designed specifically for Bitcoin. It does not support other cryptocurrencies, which makes it fast and secure for Bitcoin-only users. It connects to remote servers instead of downloading the full blockchain, so setup is quick. When you create a wallet, you receive a recovery phrase. This is your master key. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They store it online. If someone gets it, your Bitcoin is gone forever. Electrum includes advanced security features like two-factor authentication, multi-signature support, and hardware wallet integration. You won't believe what happens next when users combine Electrum with a hardware wallet. Their funds become extremely secure. However, the interface is basic and not beginner-friendly. There is no built-in token swapping or NFT support. It is purely for Bitcoin storage and transactions. So who should use Electrum? It is perfect for serious Bitcoin holders. It is not ideal for people who want a simple all-in-one wallet. The surprising truth about Electrum is that its simplicity is its strength. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest crypto guides.